pants and the jacket. Got my boots from Norwich University.
Nice.
The ammo pouches aren't big enough to fit the magazine, so I don't have one.
You couldn't rock the Nazi uniform?
I was just going to ask you where your
Actually, these
stick
were
grenade
used
went.
during the 50s too, in East Germany. I do have an East German home, but not with me.
You should have brought it.
Should have. Ammunition
Oh, look at that, folks. Look at that. The tactical water bottle. Excellent, excellent.
Notice the ammo.
The fours right to the look here nicely.
Oh, nice.
Where's my gun?
All right, next person. Come on up.
Alright. I like Tiger. Got Tiger Stripe. Pistol, 3 flash mags. Name, bed rag. Dirty water from the bottom. Using the top. ECR, UMR. And yeah, fan.
Nice. Cool.
Dig it.
Thanks, Captain.
Switch.
All right, who else we got?
Dig it.
Alright, Marpat, ammo, Woodland,
Dig it.
OD vest, room for 2 mags in each pouch, 4 pouches, Condor gloves, Condor pads, pistol mag mount pouches up here, and a tan hat because I can't find anything to match this.
Nice.
Dig it.
You can put practically any mag in there you want. Got my Glock just for close encounters if I run out of rounds. I don't pull it out just for shits and giggles. The plate carrier is helpful because you got
She pulls it out for shits and giggles.
Extra ammo, extra batteries and tools. Pretty easy, pretty quick mag change.
Dig it.
It should be one of our tests. We have everybody doing mag.
Ooh.
It's my Black Sheep Up 4 loadout. You got green tactical pants, black shirt as required. Got an RRV chest rig. It's lighter than the full plate carrier, but gives me lots of molly space. Got room for our 8 AK mags. Got hydration in my backpack. Drop pouch.
Go around for me.
Got my battery sling.
Spin, please.
Nice.
Woo! Can I get a slower spin?
I got my battery runs up my sling and it's carried in my backpack. So I
Damn!
batteries.
Oh, I like the zip ties.
Seems like that.
It's also tied into my rig so it's not digging into my neck. And it's got comms gear built in.
Can't let that stop you.
All right, it's good.
All right, Ross. Yeah!
Hi, I'm AK and I'm a gear whore. I've got
My name's AK.
starting from
I'm a gear
I've
whore.
got the OTB jungle boots made for my New Balance for a steel contract. I've got the SRRV Survival Corps Surpat pattern made in Russia, delivered from Moscow. I've got the MDOM MMCM battle belt, tactical tailor 1V first aid pouch. Got the
You don't got all day, AK.
UM84, the thumb snap.
One player soft.
Got
Serial number
tag,
056212.
universal pistol mag pouch. This actually has magnets sewn in here. Got the tag dump pouch.
Oh,
Custom made chest rig from UW Gear.
Oh,
this
wow.
is the only one like it in the world. I have a Fly EDC hydration carrier.
Why is that the only one like that in the world?
Because I designed it and commissioned it.
Nice.
Sure she didn't both.
What kind of underwear are you wearing?
Yeah, what color?
Commando.
What color?
Black.
Black. That's not even exciting.
But, no, I've got a technical tailor.
Walk away slowly when you walk.
Spin around slowly.
I've also got a source hydration bladder in here.
Where's your helmet? Where's your helmet? What kind of helmet?
Tactical cap.
From New Zealand.
And for my sling, I'm running a
B-Tac something.
VTAC added
Nice.
sling, adjustable 2-point.
What kind of pads are you using?
Oh my God!
And mechanics.
Next!
Yes, I brought it there.
Alright, I'm Zach.
Are you from Canada?
I'm wearing CAD Pat. I'm not a Canadian. I just prefer the pattern.
You just look like a Canadian?
Yeah, good color. I got my I got my M4 here, kind of in a DMR sort of state right now. Carrying a good amount of mags.
Are you a mobile resupply?
And I got my Glock 23 with 4 mags.
You don't want pouches. I think you need more mags.
I think I would faint if I was carrying all the stuff you
I
have.
think I'm carrying 11 right now.
I like to wear shoelaces.
Yes, that was yellow and broke. So, yeah, I got my gun pouch in the back.
You get one mag. You can make your pouch. Alright, next.
I'm Julian Young, call sign Bug. I'll start from the bottom. I got SWAT boots on, original SWAT boots.
Oh!
I got Kevlar. You can shoot me in the kneecaps and stab me in the kneecaps at a certain distance.
I beg to differ.
That is legitimate Kevlar.
What if I take the
I
knee
guarantee
pads
you will
off?
not stop
Well, then-
my
then-
9, never mind my 380.
Yeah, that actually might be out of the grading of it. I went for a more of a lightweight rig because I'm dainty.
Get a knife.
And I have my testicle water pouch.
That's a big
When I run, it's just above my genitals, but I think I'll be okay.
That's why no one wears the testicle protector on their body armor. It's the first thing
You might.
run it.
I'll get back to you if you're correct. I also have a med pack, and what I'm carrying is called Dayquil. I got my phone and my wallet. Yeah.
Twix bar.
No, I got Nutrigrain. I got an extra battery and my amazing rear end.
Your DPM is ripped.
My DPM.
Tell us about
What's
your ankle grip.
The back of it. No, not your ass. I didn't say your testicles on your back.
No. Explain to me about the silencer and the vertical.
Okay.
It's the best part.
This is my first game. This belongs, you know those little like pull-up bars you can stick on the door? We don't have any doors that will fit that. So I looked at this for about 5 minutes. I said, that would look sexy as hell on the end of my M4 carbine.
I beg to differ.
So I did. It doesn't look bad. You know, it could have, you should have seen it before.
That is a nice pattern.
And this is made out of a kingpin, something I found in my yard and some bushing. And then I put it in a bandage.
And you know what?
Skateboard cart?
Yes, actually. I beat it out of one of my old trucks that wasn't working, so I was like, bam, that's going on my gun.
Oh boy, oh boy.
So I call this look a Sarge. I don't know, I look at the hat and I look at the baldness, and I see a Sarge.
It's like fucking me.
Yes, and I have a large testicle pack. And this is big here. What?
Wasting time, let's go.
They're hazmat goggles.
No,
Stole them from the science
I
room
got them at Ace Card.
yesterday.
Alright, next.
I didn't really do much for this. I just put
unzip
on
the
some
vest.
boots and some
Unzip the
pants that are way
vest.
too big for me.
Take a vest off.
Yes!
You're already halfway down, you cheese.
Get the vest!
You don't tease me.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Whoa! I like the paracord belt. That's my favorite. I have it
Those are way too big for me.
You need to eat more.
That's about it.
Yeah. Wait. Tell us about your gun. Or no.
Oh, no, I'm gonna make you do for the 20.
Why do you have two guns?
This kid is socially hungry.
Alright, my name's Edgar, call sign's Joker.
Edgar Allan.
I run a WE-G39 gas blowback.
Tell us a joke.
A joke?
You said Joker is your call sign. I want to hear a joke.
Yeah.
Derek, it's fun.
Oh, you buried yourself. Very valid point.
You can just shoot him.
No.
My second gun is a H&K USP 45.
Didn't hear a joke.
Backup. Then I've got my mag set up here, admin pouch, extra USP mag, speed loader, dump pouch here. Right here I have like a accessory pouch for tools, got my team patch on that. Got my tactical butane propane tank there for any,
Take that flat OD. Just saying.
and and I kind of went for like a KSK kind of style because my team runs a German loadout.
Rock and roll. Yeah.
My name is Trent. The call signs Trixie. Our whole group kind of runs stripper names as our call signs. I got my own 16.
You're a stripper. I want to see some stripping.
I didn't know Joker was a stripper name.
Oh no, she's English.
Okay.
What do you do?
Look at where his 1911 is. He's a stripper.
Yeah. Talk about your soul. We don't care about you. My claymore right here in case someone.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Please.
Really skinny. I can't get anything to fit me, so I got really baggy pants, really baggy harness. It's the only thing I've gotten to fit me.
Order from China.
Small people.
Yeah.
3XL over there. That way I took a 7XL jumpsuit. I must be like a god to them.
You're a god to us.
Golden god.
God.
Helpful with the weight of the M60. 2 pistols in case this, like it stopped working today, strip the piston. So I got 2 pistols I can pull out, run around, and just pull the claymore whenever I need it. And just, I got. Have you ever had a premature detonation? No, it happens. It happens to a lot of guys, huh?
Did you get pregnant?
Except for you, Jack, right?
Yeah, you know about that premature detonation.
Yes, I do.
Bags in my back for whoever in my squad needs it because I can't use them.
That's nice.
And
What a nice guy.
to balance out the weight with goggles and whatever I need in it, and pretty much it.
All right, I think that's everybody. Did anyone else want to go up there for the gear competition? Yourself. Show and tell's over.
You need to go up.
This is
Yeah,
where I wear work.
All right, guys, who do you want for our top 3?
Albert and Mouse.
Okay.
Mouse.
It's Owen's prize for the. All right, you 3 are up. Let's vote.
I think AK is buying us last.
Zoolander, walk off.
Fight to the death.
Okay, let's do like whoever makes the most noise for that person wins or something like that.
All right.
Where we can load a mag first. Wait.
Yay or nay for the Canadian?
Hey!
For Mouse.
Yeah!
Anders.
America!
Fuck yeah.
I don't know. What do you guys think was the winner of that one?
Let's do it again.
Everyone gets free BBs!
Free BBs for everybody.
All right. I can't give Mouse it because he's a staff guy.
Oh, figures.
AK!
He's out.
Well, then someone else should go up for the vote.
No.
AK! You got my
All right, Canadian or AK?
AK!
I'm gonna vote for Anders. Pat, I vote for Pat.
That's what we're doing. Get the guns out. We're going for it.
Wild West
Vegas, make them ready.
What?
It's a tie. We're ending this in a duel. This is how GM's Live works.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
All right. Where's the 2 red going for? Yeah, guys, everyone needs goggles.
So now
Goggles or safety glasses, anything.
I'll just shoot AK.
Gentlemen's rules. You're going back to back, 10 cases. You're not going to turn until I call turn. You guys keep shooting each other until one of you dies.
We want to see blood.
Sideways. You may drop to one knee, you may drop on your stomach, you can do whatever. But you do not leave that general area. You guys got this? Go. All right, we're going this way.
My body is ready.
Everybody. Goggles on, everybody.
My goggles on my head.
What is going on?
No, 10 pages. 10 pages.
Paste pecani sauce.
Are you from Canada?
I'm wearing Cad Pat. I'm not a Canadian. I prefer the pattern.
You just look like a Canadian?
Yeah, it's good color. I got my M4 here, kind of in a DMR sort of state right now. Carrying a good amount of mags.
Are you a mobile resupply?